Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Google Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!